Hi all, so you probably think this is a 12 volt battery, so yes and no. I mean, yes, it should be something like this, and no, because you need to build it yourself. And this is 12 cells lithium batteries that you should build yourself, and I will talk about how to do it at home. Basically, I have two sets of batteries, both same, and I will do a few videos about it, and the reason is that it's a little complicated, and I will talk about how to start and how to do it, and what is the major things that you should be aware of. So first of all, lithium cells, dangerous, can explode, and probably everyone that got to this video know this already. Second thing, if you want to build your battery, it is very recommended that you will have, of course, the proper skills in order to use the cells like this. And what is important is to make sure that the cells are almost fully discharged when you are building. This is for safety reasons. It means that the cells should be about 3.6 volts, maybe a little higher, but no more than that, because if you will have a short, you will be safer. Another thing that you want to, of course, to do, that if you are building this battery, so all the cells should be of the same type and recommended more or less same capacity. And if you have the proper tools, you should measure a few things. Beside the voltage, you would like to measure the internal resistance of each cell to know that they are more or less the same. And you should have a spot welder for doing the welding of these nickel strips. And basically, this is all. And how you start, so you put all the cells like this. All should be on the same polarity, and this is not the same type, but all the cells should be same type on the same polarity. And when you go to the next column, you should be able to do it, of course, this way, because on the top or on the bottom you will weld those tabs, and should be plus connected to minus, and on the other side the plus to the minus here. I will show it in the next videos. And important thing, of course, is to use a BMS, which is battery management system, that should protect you from overcharge, over discharge, short circuit, too high load, etc. This is actually protect you from doing a short, and protect the cells of being destroyed. This is what it is doing. And you have here on the other side of the PCB the way that you should connect, of course, plus to the minus, and the other cell plus to the minus, and then you have plus here and minus here. So you should put this BMS later, when it is done, in the correct position here. So you should take care how you're doing all the building. Yeah, and this is basically the main important thing. So I will go again over the important things. Make sure that the cells are same type, they're all discharged, more or less the same internal resistance. The voltage is the same between the cells, because if you short them, it will apply to all the voltage, and you don't want too high current move between the cells. And after connecting everything, you should connect the BMS, and then connect all the wires, and then you are done. So this is video number 1, and in the other we will do the process.